Here are the steps in opening our portal. First, you need to open your browser, which is Google Chrome, and then type k12.spis.edu.sa. Here, like so. Did you follow? And then we are directed here in the virtual campus where we are going to log in our username and password. Like so. Enter your username and password and we will be directed to the next page. Next will be this page. Click again. As you can see here in the right upper corner, you can see there are 9 small dots wherein when you click it, you can see there's a drop down and you can see our Google Meet icon. You can just click the Google Meet icon and then you will be directed in this page where you can see join or start a meeting. Just click that and you will be directed to the next page. Like so, you will be directed in this page where you can see a text box where you're going to type the code given by your teacher, as that code will be given through emails. So in your email, you will be asked to accept the invitation to join the Google Meet. And then you will be directed to this window, like so. You can see your monitor here and the camera is starting, getting ready. Okay, this is what you are going to see in Google Meet. Here, you can see your classmates who are enrolled in this class and this chat wherein you may want to send someone, your teacher, a question or a message to your group. And take note of this tab. And then you can see the upper right button here, the push to talk button. Push to talk button is enabled in Google Meet so that you can talk during recitation. Press and hold space bar to talk. Key down will unmute you and key up will remute you. As you can see here, the Not Chrome add-on is also enabled. The Not Chrome extension add-on is all about reactions. Students can clap, raise their hand during the session without interrupting the speaker or the teacher. Now we are going to discuss how we are going to go about in your Google Classroom. To use Classroom, you sign in on your computer and join a class, where you can get classworks from your teacher and communicate with your classmates. You can join a class in 2 ways. First, enter a class code. Your teacher shares a class code with you. You sign in to Classroom and enter the code. Another is accept an invitation or an invite. Your teacher sends you an invite. You can accept the invite in your email or in your classroom. After you join in a class, you're enrolled in that class for all devices. like so. You can see the Google Classroom icon here. Hover and click the Google Classroom icon. And as you can see, a drop-down of your classes appears here, but you can only join one class at a time. After you have entered in the Google Classroom, you can see your classes here or here. Just click the subject you are enrolled in at that time, like so. Okay class, as you can see three tabs. First, the stream, classwork, and people. If this highlighted like this, you are in stream. You can see this. Stream is where assignments, questions, announcements, concerns, and other activities are posted, like so. Here's the stream page where I will be posting the homeworks, quizzes, and assignments. Next is the classwork tab. Here, I will be creating your quizzes, assignments, or any general topics that you will be answering. Classwork page is where your teacher will be posting assignments, quizzes, sitworks, and the like. You can just click the classwork tab so that you can see your homeworks, quizzes, sitworks, or assignments. In this tab, you can see your classmates who are enrolled in this class. Submitting an assignment to Google Classroom. As I've said earlier, you can see your assignments, homeworks, sitworks, and quizzes in the classwork tab. Like this page, students should click on the assignment in the classroom stream. If a teacher has posted an assignment to the Google Classroom stream, students should head to Google Classroom to access their assignment. Students should click on the assignment in the classroom stream, like so. Click this, and you can see an example like this, wherein you will be answering the questions given by your teacher. And after answering, click Submit. Same goes through with the sitworks and quizzes. You can just click the attach file so you can see your quizzes and homeworks or sitworks. Google Drive is a storage and synchronization service developed by Google where your data is stored. That's all for now, children. Thank you for navigating Google Meet and Google Classroom with me. You can view it again to familiarize yourself. Bye!